Everybody at Space Coast, about to bring in the last rod of the day down here at Playalinda on the 26th of June. You can look down the beach and you can see the next person down to the north of me is about a quarter of a mile. So a beautiful day at the beach, hardly anybody here. Caught lots of fish, caught one big shark. So overall a pretty good day at Playalinda. These conditions will probably last a few more days, but then it might be back to a little rougher seas and maybe some seagrass. Tight lines, everybody.